Hello and welcome to today's tip. Now we're going to start off by creating a grid on our pages or on our background using some double-sided sticky tape, which I have been loving to create fabulous embossed lines. Now I'm going roughly with the thickness of my Distress Oxides. And I think I'm going to do 3 along here. And I'm not too precious with where the lines are gonna go, because I will be able to use the different sort of size spaces for different embellishments and things like that. Don't make the mistake I just made, which is to not pull off your first layer, otherwise you're going to end up with it trying to pull it off. So I'm just now pulling it with, cutting it with my craft knife, which is not ideal. But at least I can make all the mistakes so you don't have to. Okay, once you've embossed that and it's dry, you can then go in and start adding your colour. Now, you really are running blind here, but don't worry about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just about adding bits and bits of colour in various different spots. Okay, once you've added all of your colour, you've got a couple of different options with this layout. You can choose little ones and make little groups, so smaller photos and choose some groups. You then might want to add a little bit of gesso in some areas just to mute it down a bit because it's super busy. But the other idea that I've got that I quite like, so you could do that, and you could even add like sections of white just to really help your photos stand out, because otherwise they will get lost underneath that grid and you don't want to lose your photos. So if you could do something like that, you could then mat them and then you've got a little bit more focus. Alternatively, you could just use a super large, like black and white photo, say for example, and just place it on the grid. It can go in the middle, but I tend to like things a little bit off center. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tip. I have loved making it. There's so many ideas with it, and it's super easy to do. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.